Hello my creative and beautiful friends. Welcome to my new video. So I want to share some beautiful intro and story. The Pinecones Tree of Wishes. In a quiet snowy town where winter winds dance through the trees and chimneys smoke the sleepy dragons, there lived a girl named Mira. Mira loved X-Max more than anything, but that year things were different. Mira's father had lost his job and her mother was working late every day. The house felt dull, silent, and almost empty. There was no Xmas tree this time, no ornaments, no lights, no shiny stars. Mira never complained, but she kept looking at the corner of the room where the tree used to stand. It felt like Xmas had forgotten her house. One morning, Mira bundled up in her red scarf and walked into the nearby forest. The snowflakes floated around her like tiny diamonds. As he walked deeper, she found something magical, a circle of pinecone lying perfectly in shape. As if someone had placed them there, Mira picked up one. It sparkled softly under the snow. Suddenly, a gentle voice whispered through the wind, "Every pinecone carries a story and every twig carries a wish." Mira looked around, but no one was there, just the wind and the tree. She collected pine cones all of sizes, tiny, mediums, and big ones, shaped like little lanterns. She also picked up twigs, some straight, some curved, like little branches in a fairy tale book. When she returned home, she placed everything on the table and whispered, "Maybe I can make my own X-Mix tree, even if it's a small." She began creating twigs forming the shape of a small tree, pine connecting as natural ornaments, a tiny stick becoming the trunk, a bit of cotton trunk into snow, and a small silver bead becoming the star on top. As Mira finished the trees, something unbelievable happened. The snow outside shimmered brighter, a soft glow surrounded the tiny twig tree, and then the pinecone began to open slowly, revealing their seeds like tiny golden drops. Mira gasped. The tree was not just a craft, it was alive that X-Max magic. Mira made a tiny tag and hung it on the tree. On it she wrote a simple wish. "I wish my family smiles again." That night her father came home early carrying a small chocolate cake. Her mother wrapped her in a warm hug, and there was laughter again, the kind that fills the house like warm light. The next morning, Mira placed her magical twig and pinecone tree on the window. Neighbors passing by stopped and starting such a simple decoration, yet so full of beauty and warmth. Soon, everything in the town began collecting twigs and pinecone to make their own little trees. Children called them wish trees. Each tree carried a wish for joy, peace, love, or hope. And that is how a simple decoration made from twigs and pinecone brought X-Max magic back to an entire village. Just like Mira, today we will create a simple but beautiful craft. A tiny tree can carry its charm, love, and maybe even little X-Max magic. So let's begin crafting because sometimes the smallest decoration holds the biggest story. If you want to watch more videos and more ideas like that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. Have a very nice and very good day. I wish your creativity must be higher than your thinking. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed.